नमस्ते डिग्री सेकंड इयर संस्कृतम डिग्री सेकंड इयर संस्कृतम इंटर्नल परीक्षायाः प्रश्नाः समाधानानि च इंटर्नल परीक्षायाः प्रश्नाः समाधानानि च अधो निर्दिष्टानां कृदन्तरूपाणि लिखत अधो निर्दिष्टानां कृदन्तरूपाणि लिखत क्वेश्चन लभुप्लेक्स्त्वा लब्ध्वा लभुप्लेक्स्त्वा लब्ध्वा मीनिंग हैविंग obtained रूट वर्ब मूलधातुः लब् मीनिंग टू obtain सफिक्स प्रत्ययः क्त्वा टू indicate having done मीनिंग having obtained second question आ प्लस रुह प्लस ल्यप आ प्लस रुह प्लस ल्यप आरुह्य meaning having ascended root verb मूलधातुः रुह meaning to ascend prefix उपसर्गः आ it indicates upwards movement suffix प्रत्ययः ल्यप it indicates having done third question श्रु plus तुमुन श्रोतुम meaning to hear root verb मूलधातुः श्रु to hear suffix प्रत्ययः तुमुन to indicate to do fourth question दृशिर plus क्तवतु दृशिर plus क्तवतु दृष्टवान meaning he saw रूट वर्ब मूलधातुः दृशिर और दृश टू सी सफिक्स प्रत्ययः क्तवतु टू इंडिकेट पास्ट एक्शन परफॉर्म्ड बाय ए मेल फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन स्था प्लस स्थातव्यः मीनिंग शुड स्टैंड और शुड रिमेन रूट वर्ब मूलधातुः स्था टू स्टैंड to remain suffix प्रत्ययः तव्या to indicate obligation second bit श्रूयमाना question श्रूयमाना answer शानच प्रत्ययः meaning being heard root verb मूलधातुः श्रु to hear suffix प्रत्ययः शानच to indicate present continuous action in passive voice second question गंतव्यम तव्या प्रत्ययः meaning should be gone must go root verb मूलधातुः गम to go suffix प्रत्ययः तव्या to indicate obligation third question लिख्यमानम शानच प्रत्ययः meaning being written root verb मूलधातुः लिख to write suffix प्रत्ययः शानच to indicate present continuous action in passive voice fourth question जित्वा क्त्वा प्रत्ययः meaning having won root verb मूलधातुः जी to win suffix प्रत्ययः क्त्वा to indicate having done we have to use this क्त्वा participle fifth question विजित्या लेप प्रत्ययः meaning having conquered root verb मूलधातुः v plus g to conquer suffix प्रत्ययः लेप to indicate having done we have to use this लेप प्रत्ययः sixth question दातुम तुमुन प्रत्ययः meaning to give root verb मूलधातुः दा to give suffix प्रत्ययः तुमुन to indicate to do we have to use this tumun participle. Seventh question, jnataha, jnataha, kta prachayaha, meaning known. Root verb moola dhatu jna, to know. Suffix prachayaha, kta, to indicate past passive participle. We have to use this kta prachayaha. Eighth question, gatavat, gatavat, ktavat prachayaha. Ktavat prachayaha, meaning he went. Root verb moola dhatu gam, to go. Suffix prachayaha, ktavat, to indicate past action performed by a male. Ninth question, likhan shatru prachayaha, likhan shatru prachayaha, meaning writing, meaning writing. Likhan vrastu. Root verb moola dhatu lik, to write. Suffix prachayaha shatru, to indicate present continuous action in active voice. 10th question, vandamana shanat prachayaha, vandamana shanat prachayaha, meaning being saluted. Root verb moola dhatu vand, to salute. Suffix prachayaha shanach, to indicate present continuous action in passive voice. Spoken Sanskrit news channel. If you find my efforts valuable, please consider supporting the growth of this channel by donating, sharing and subscribing. Your encouragement and generosity would be deeply appreciated. Phone pay number 9849 641892. ధన్యవాదः.